Ned Pillersdorf, the Prestonsburg attorney who represented the Blackjewel miners in Harlan County in 2019, when their protest efforts reached the legal arena, said he's opting out from his inclusion in the class action suit that resulted in the recently settled case. He gave his reasons Tuesday.
What happened about 6 years ago, the Blackjewel miners all had clawed back checks. I originally got involved when they were blocking the railroad tracks. There were some, potential criminal problems with that, but they were never charged, and obviously they shouldn't have been. Thereafter, I did help negotiate them getting their back pay. Then it was alleged that the mass termination of the miners violated what's called the WARN Act, which is a law designed to give notice when there's a plant closing. These miners actually got no notice. In fact, they learned about it when their checks were clawed back.
From sparkly sips to sassy style, Breezy's Craft House has the flair you've been looking for without the storefront hassle. Make it easy. Call Breezy. Breezy's Craft House. There's something special waiting for you.
The settlement allowed for money to go to the 6 people representing the miners and paid attorney fees, ending at a total amount of $125,000 paid from the bankrupt Blackjewel Energy Company and Lexington Coal. However, no money was given to the more than 16,000 miners involved.
There was in West Virginia, in bankruptcy court, a class action on behalf of the miners. I was never actually in that case. I'm not licensed in West Virginia. But I was notified yesterday that there'd been a settlement of $125,000 on the WARN Act. And the way it worked out is the Hoops family, who controlled Blackjewel at the time, they contributed 75. Lexington Control contributed 50. But the way the money is going to be divided up is the class representatives, I think there's 6 of them, they'll get 5,000 each. There's attorney fees. But at the end of the day, the miners are not getting anything.
Blackjewel filed for bankruptcy, leaving about 1,700 miners without work, and Pillersdorf said leaving his name connected to the case was something he didn't feel comfortable doing.
And I just have a real problem with lawyers filing a lawsuit, class action on behalf of the miners, and you settle it and the miners don't get anything. So I did notify the other side that my name's on the settlement agreement, even though I'm not an attorney of record in the case, to take my name off of it. It's important for the miners to understand, though, this isn't the end of it. They'll each get letters and they have the right to opt out. And it is not unusual in bankruptcy court for the judge to reject the settlement.
Reporting for Mountaintop News, I'm Sheldon Compton.